Create an event. This is the next way, and I think creating event is easy if we talk about the event online, and therefore it's a slightly different thing when you create events online or offline, so your investment is different. However, when you become a leader of the event and you promote these events and you solve problems with this event, people automatically start associating you with these problem solutions which you offer during these events. Now, during these events, you might present many speakers. All of them will solve these problems. However, as a leader of this event, you will get a big chunk of authority in the niche because you're leading this event. So this is one of the most powerful ways how you can become a leader in your niche while not really investing much of your own knowledge and utilizing other speakers' authority and knowledge as a vehicle to promote your own brand.